So guys, me and Eric's just heading out today. It's calm, it's meant to pick up later on. Now guys, it's a little bit choppy today. It's a bit of a swell, but we're just going to stay in close just to be on the safe side. So we'll see how we do. Well, we're on. And the mackerel, nice size. Now guys, this is the same footage of me catching mackerel, just a different camera angle, just so as you can see both. Well, we're on. We have air friend the mackerel, nice size. Now guys, if you just see there's white caps starting to start in the water. Now me and Aaron's only have 10 minutes, and this is a classic example to show you how fast sea conditions can change, and when they change fast. So guys, I've had it with me, so I decided to go back in because it's deteriorating very fast. And just to give you an idea of how fast the sea does change, I'm just going to leave this to play to show you kind of how bouncy it gets as I'm heading back in. Now guys, I'm safely in behind the harbour wall. It looks nice and calm, but I live to fish another day. So here's the boat heading up the ramp on our escape, and here we go. Now we'll head round to the harbour wall and fish from there. Right guys, the weather's picked up out in the sea, so we're going to continue this off the wall. Me and Eric have brought beach casters with us, and we have our spinning rod, so we'll continue fishing off the wall. Now guys, we decided to fish for a wrasse using rat worm and a 3-hook down rig. Now we're letting our line straight down into rocks. Now we are going to lose gear because wrasse hang around rocky areas, and that's what happens, but it's just a risk you have to take if you want to catch the wrasse. And here's Eric, he's after getting stuck. We've only started, but this is to be expected. And now it's my turn guys to be stuck as well, so I'm stuck as well, but looking for wrasse, this happens, so you just have to take it as it comes. And finally guys, it starts paying off. So here we have the first wrasse coming up now. There's the wrasse. Now guys, here's a better look. 2 ballan wrasse side by side, a big and a small. So we'll get these guys off and send them back in and keep searching for more. And guys, another one, small little one again, ballan wrasse. So here's a better look at him, and we'll get him unhooked and send him back. There he is, we'll send him back. And guys, this look at the rig. We're using size 6 hooks with a 5-ounce lead. I think there's two hooks on this one. We lost one with half a rag on each hook. It does the job. Is it on still? No? Ah, good size, good size. Is that your first wrasse?
Yeah.
Push them back and you won't spike it. That's it. Spike it. Keep them, hold them with the fins down. Hold them up. There you go, right here, I'm going to throw them back. Well guys, that's us wrapping up for today. So we got a mackerel in the boat. We were only out for about 10-15 minutes, and then we came in and we're targeting wrasse, and we got 4 wrasse. Eric got his first wrasse ever, and that's it. So 4 wrasse and mackerel out for 2.5 hours. So it was a good little session. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you again soon. Take care.